Hey everybody, how are you? It is Monday, November 10th. How are you? Whew, what a weekend. I didn't really do a lot, but I'm just preparing. I'm leaving tomorrow for Palm Springs. I got a few cool things going on. I'm possibly going to be interviewed for a really good podcast. I'm working on that detail right now, and I'll let you know. And I'm being filmed with a group of guys that are doing Dining with the Davids, a great show out of Palm Springs for NBC. So, local channel there, NBC. So, I'm really grateful for that. And one of the Davids placed a huge seasoning order today, Ritter seasoning. So, I can't fulfill it until I get back. I have a few that I'm taking right here with me in my suitcase. The other would be like adding a lot of pounds of weight in my luggage. I overpack all the time. So I've done laundry. I'm getting things going. It's been a very good day today. I'm praying for peace and solidarity in the world. I'm hoping the government's going to come back together. And everybody, a few friends are concerned about my flights and schedule for tomorrow. So far, so good. So I'm looking forward to the time away. I really need it. So anyway, that's all that's going on. I will do some short videos and things when I'm in Palm Springs, but mainly it's taking care of me, reaching out to friends that mean a lot to me, and just enjoying some nice weather. We got some snow here in Chicago and in the Midwest last night. Not as much as they said, so we're good. I'm up early tomorrow. Lots of coffee at the airport, I guess. Anyway, when I close this out, there's going to be some video and pictures right after this from the LGBTQ Hall of Fame. They inducted several people into their LGBT Hall of Fame last week. That was last Thursday. And I have some great photos. It was wonderful to run into Alex Perez, who's a national reporter. You probably have seen him on ABC. A friend of mine, was glad to talk and hang out with him, and several others. So you'll see pictures right at the end of this. So doing this very quick. That's all I got. I got to pack. A lot of last minute stuff, and I got to go exercise. I got to get a few steps in yet this afternoon. So yeah, I know. And it's already 2:30. All right. I'll see you. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. Be a good human. Be kind. Subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you on the next post, whenever, next week, right? End of this week, something like that. I will post and just do some short videos and things like that. So I'll see you next from Palm Springs, California. Take care, everybody. Thanks for the love and support. Bye.